Hello, all the students of Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family. Remember, you can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So I'm going to teach you today now backbone. You already know that chapter 7 human skeletal and nervous system is going on. Human skeletal and nervous system. Okay, and I have started first skeletal system. In the skeletal system, the skeletal system consists of a skull, rib cage, backbone, limbs, and girdle. So about skull, I have taught you what rib cage I have taught you. Then I'm going to start backbone. Backbone. See the backbone, also called the spine, stretches from the base of your head to your lower back and hips. Okay, I am just showing you the picture also if I have. You can see a skeletal system here. So, what is backbone? So, the backbone, also called the spine, stretches from the base of your brain. So, backside, see, this is skull. Okay, and that backside, that whatever the bone, this backbone is there, that is attached from your base of your brain. Okay, that is attached from the base of your head. Okay, base of your means the down part, that base of your what head. Okay, and to your lower back and hips, and to your lower back and your these hips, your backbone. Again I am telling, you can see me, your backbone is attached to your base of your head from upper part, and to your lower part it is attached to your back and the hips, till hips, from the base of your head to your lower part of your back and hips. So that is your backbone. Now, in addition to providing support to the upper body, the spine surrounds and protects the spinal cord. You can see here, here is the spine. Okay, this is a spine. The spine is like this. Okay, it is a long hollow pipeline. Okay. Okay, so this part is called spine of human skeletal system. So this spine is providing support to the upper body. The spine surrounds and protect the spinal cord, which carries nerves between the brains and the rest of the body. The spine only. Okay, it is here. Okay, you can see this is here also, from your, not here, from your backbone, from here to here, whatever spines are there. Okay, they surrounds and protect the spinal cords, which is connects from your brain to your all rest of the body, which carries nerve. That spine, again I am telling you, that spine surround and protect the spinal cord, which carries nerves, between the brain and the rest part of your body. So this spine is very important for our body. The spine is also known as the vertebral column. Vertebral column, as is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Okay, The spine is also called vertebral column because it is made up of 33 bones. Okay, that are called 33 small bones that are called vertebrae. These bones help us in turning, bending. Okay, these bones help us. This spinal cord is help us in turning, bending, twisting. This all is done by our this spine and keeping our body upright. If our spine will be broken or if our spine will be damaged, then our body will be like this. Maybe you have seen many human, or this happen actually in old person. What they do when their spine got damaged, their body did was like this. When your spine is okay, you will be upright. You can twist. You can turn your body with the help of this what spine. So we can say the backbone is also called a spine. Okay, stretches from where? Stretches from the base of your head to your lower back and hips. Okay, now the spine, okay, the spine surrounds, our spine is there, okay, the spine surrounds and protects the spinal cord. That spinal cord which carries nerves, between the brain and rest of the body. Okay, so this spine is very important, boys. This spine will be damaged, then our nerve, whatever the spinal cord is there, which is connected to our brain, because whatever if I am able to write, then with the help of a spinal cord and nerve. So if spine will be damaged, we will not able to write, we will not able to walk also. Our body will get paralyzed. So the spine is also called what? So the spine is also called vertebral, T-E-B-R-A-L column. Why? Because as it is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae, V-E-R-T-E-B-R-A-E, and these bones help us in turning, twisting, bending, and keeping our body upright. So this spine, that is backbone, is very important for our body. If this will be damaged, then might our body will get paralyzed, and we will not able to walk, we will not able to do anything. Till here I am stopping. In next class I will go for next topic, that is limbs.